What is up, guys? So one of my fans wants to trade me for an item. He wants to gift me a Elderwood the revolver. So I'm gonna give him Red Luger and uh hmm Bone Blade. That's 320. That's a good OP, but hold on. Uh, hmm. You do gemstone. Oh no, I'm throwing stuff. 375 OP. Okay. Um. So Red Luger and Bone Blade for the Elder Revolver. That's like a 70 seer gain for me, I believe. Alright, so now I have my new set. It is the... I'm going to make it Battle Axe 2 and Elderwood Revolver. So my new, like, godly set is going to be Battle Axe 2. Because, like, they kind of go together. It's like the, I feel like they go together really well. So, like, I got the Battle Axe 2 and the Elderwood Revolver. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys later. The new giveaway that I'm probably going to do next is a more simpler one. I will give away a saw. So if you want a chance to win a saw, make sure to share this video with your friends and show everyone so you have a chance to win. But other than that, make sure to like the video, and I'll see you guys later.